Welcome to CARZ TRENDS, where the latest and greatest in automotive innovation is always on display. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the Bentley GT Continental concept, a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of luxury, style, and high-performance capabilities. Bentley GT Continental is a testament to the brand's commitment to creating vehicles that are both luxurious and technologically advanced. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, this vehicle is sure to turn heads on the road. The GT Continental's lines are clean and modern, with a focus on functionality and performance. The GT Continental's design is a perfect blend of form and function. Every detail, from its sleek lines to its advanced aerodynamics, has been carefully crafted to create a vehicle that's both beautiful and high performance. The GT Continental's modern design language is characterized by clean lines, swooping curves, and a sense of dynamic movement. Under the hood, the Bentley GT Continental features an advanced powertrain that delivers impressive performance and efficiency. The vehicle's W12 engine produces rapid acceleration and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive. The GT Continental's advanced transmission system provides smooth and precise shifting, while the vehicle's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride. The interior of the Bentley GT Continental is designed to provide a driving experience that's both luxurious and high performance. The vehicle's premium materials and attention to detail make it a true standout in its class. From its luxurious seats to its advanced infotainment system, every aspect of the GT Continental's interior has been designed to provide a superior driving experience. The Bentley GT Continental's advanced technology is another key aspect of its appeal. The vehicle's innovative infotainment system features a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls, making it easy to navigate the vehicle's advanced features. The GT Continental's advanced driver assistance systems also make it easier to navigate complex roadways and traffic situations. The Bentley GT Continental's performance capabilities are truly exceptional. Its W12 engine delivers rapid acceleration and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive on both straight roads and twisty mountain passes. The GT Continental's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride, whether you're driving aggressively or cruising through the city. In terms of luxury, the Bentley GT Continental is unparalleled. Its premium materials and attention to detail make it a true standout in its class. From its luxurious seats to its advanced infotainment system, every aspect of the GT Continental's interior has been designed to provide a superior driving experience. The Bentley GT Continental is more than just a car, it's a statement piece. It's a reflection of the brand's values and its dedication to creating vehicles that are both luxurious and high performance. Whether you're driving through the city or carving up the mountain roads, the GT Continental's advanced technology and impressive performance capabilities make it a true